Love and peace, harmony from the heart, from the soul, from the infinite presence and being that surrounds us inside and out. This beautiful creation we call Earth provides us with everything we need. The sun shines so bright, warms us up, and gives us light. The birds are flying on this crisp morning. The sun is rising. Life is rising. Birds are playing and singing together. All types of birds, different colors, different shapes and sizes. But they still all gather. The bluebirds play with the brown bird with the white stripes. The red bird plays with the blue bird. And the bird with brown body, black head, and black wings and tail. We have brown birds, black birds, all kinds of birds are playing and singing together. Eating their morning breakfast, enjoying the rebirth of the sun this morning. The love, the peace. The squirrels, the hawks are flying this morning looking for their next meal. It is a new day, a new beginning, and a new way to live. A new way to love, a new way to learn, a new way to share. Believe, dream, and inspire. We all can create. We all can be beautiful. We all can be caring. A new way, a new life, new beginnings. A life filled with joy, togetherness, and everyone treated equally. Equal in this life. Equal because that's what it is to be. Equal. Everyone and everything on this planet was not put here by man. So man or woman cannot contain you. beings that may or contradicting the way of life. Do not let your mind and heart be taken away. Keep fighting for justice. Keep fighting for life. Keep fighting for humanity. Keep fighting for love. Keep uniting together as beings on this planet. Everything is made as the holy and infinite powers that be provided this wonderful and glorious world, this universe, this infinite beauty that we live in.